Jiangxi Xirui Manufacturing Company, Limited is a production-oriented and trading company that has been specialized in researching, developing, manufacturing all kinds of blades, shaving razors, facial razor, beauty sponge for many years. We are located in Ganzhou City, Jiangxi Province with convenient transportation for all customers from anywhere. Our company covers an area of 66,000 square meter with 5 main self-built buildings. We have many advanced production and testing equipment, with around 300 skilled staffs, and monthly production capacity is up to 10 billion sets. We are a high-tech professional enterprise for beauty tools with more than 20 years OEM/ODM/OBM experience. We have passed ISO 9001 and our products have been approved by SGS concerning chemical and performance test. We not only strictly inspect incoming material but also finished product by both equipment and manpower. Our R&D team possess many patents for product appearance, technology innovation and utility model. Our main market is North America, Europe, Asia to meet all kinds of customers' buying requirement. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits and long-term relationship, we have had a good reputation among our customers. We are confident to offer you good purchasing experience to bring both you and us business success with one-stop purchasing service include customization, production, strictly quality control, shipment, and customs. We sincerely welcome all friends to visit and work with us.